Software Spring. Presents. Which to use, XLOOKUP or VLOOKUP, to extract specific data in Google Sheets. Hello folks, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial, which compares the XLOOKUP and VLOOKUP functions, and tells which of these two functions is more powerful and versatile. Before we begin, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. Your support is invaluable. Okay, for more info on XLOOKUP or VLOOKUP, please refer to their respective tutorial, whose links are given in the description. Going forward, this spreadsheet has two worksheets, vendor data and transaction data. In this tutorial, the data in the vendor data is extracted into the transaction data. Alright, let's get started with an office scenario. Deepak, Akash's manager, asks him to extract all the data of a vendor, and says that he can only partly recall the vendor name as widgets. The spreadsheet is large, and Akash wonders how to go about the task. First, let's take a look at the syntax of XLOOKUP and VLOOKUP function formulas. XLOOKUP, VLOOKUP. Here is a comparison of XLOOKUP and VLOOKUP. XLOOKUP can extract data to the left and/or right of search key. VLOOKUP can extract data only to the right of search key. XLOOKUP can extract data from a single or multiple cells of a row with the search key. VLOOKUP can extract data only from a single cell in the row corresponding to the search key. Only XLOOKUP allows to specify a custom message if search key is not found. Only XLOOKUP can conduct a search for the search key in the reverse order. Only XLOOKUP supports wildcard search. Moving forward, the question is whether to use XLOOKUP or VLOOKUP. The answer is XLOOKUP. The reasons are: wildcard search will have to be used, as only part of the vendor name is known. There is data to the left and right of the search key, and the data in the entire row has to be extracted. The XLOOKUP function formula to extract the data pertaining to this vendor is this star specifies any and all characters before the letter W. This star specifies any and all characters after the letter W. This is the lookup range. It should be a single column. This is the result range, which includes columns only from D to G, as required. This is the custom error message if search key is not found. Value 2 tells XLOOKUP to conduct a wildcard search. Let me type the formula and press enter. There you go. XLOOKUP has returned the data pertaining to the search key. Now, we will extract the data in the entire row, and this time, we will tell the function to conduct a reverse search. The XLOOKUP function formula to extract the data pertaining to this vendor is This is the result range, which is the entire data range, because the data from all the cells in the row, with the search key, has to be extracted. Value -1 tells XLOOKUP to conduct a reverse search. Let me type the formula. Alright, here's the extracted data. In conclusion, XLOOKUP is powerful and versatile. It can do all the tasks that VLOOKUP can do, and more. Summary: XLOOKUP, or VLOOKUP, can extract data pertaining to a search key. XLOOKUP arguments give it a great edge and make it flexible over VLOOKUP. The XLOOKUP function formula is. The VLOOKUP function formula is. That's it, folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.